Raquel, it's your special day today. Dumating na rin yung araw na pinakahihintay nating lahat. And I wish you all the best. Siyempre, I want you to be more happy and more blessed sa araw na ito dahil sa ito ang iyong pinakahihintay na araw.
Well, I just want a simple gathering. But because of my children, they have prepared something for me, which I am so happy. I feel so blessed, and I am beyond grateful.
It's your time to enjoy the fruits of your hard work. And syempre nandito na kami to support kung anong gusto mong gawin kasi lagi ka nandyan to support us before. So hopefully, this time, giving back to you kung anong gusto mo and long life, long healthy life, and more blessings to come.
Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy 65th birthday. Happy retirement. Stay happy, healthy, patient, and a mother to everyone. Happy birthday.
Happiest moment sa aking asawang si Raquel ay nung pagkalooban niya ako ng Panginoon ng anak sa pamamagitan ng aking asawa. 3 malulusog na mga bata at ako ay masayang masena sa araw na iyon.
Message ko sa batang namin is, siyempre, I love you.
Well, they say that I do not look my age, and I seem to be younger than my age.
Another year older, look how far you've come, all the way around the sun. Here's to the memories still yet to be made, and here's to all the good old days. Let me say, you are loved. I don't say it near enough.
To Ninang Raquel, we wish you good health always, and then more birthdays to come. And alam mo naman na nandito lang ang nag-iisa mong pamangkin na si Kat for you always. And you know that I love you, and thank you for everything that you do for us. Sa mga pamangkin mo, sa mga apo mo, ang number 1 ninang ng lahat ng natatakbuhan namin ng problema, nasasabihan ng problema, and I'm always here for you. I love you.
Happy birthday, Lola Raquel. I love you.
Here's to this moment. Here's to you.
Che, happy 65th birthday.
Maraming birthday pa dumating sana sa iyo.
Happy birthday kapatid and happy retirement.
I can't say it near enough. Light up all the candles. May your wish come true. You're worth celebrating. Happy birthday to you. You make the world a better place. You shine so bright. Light up all the candles. May your wish come true.
And I praise and thank God for reaching this age, the age of 65. It's really a blessing from the Lord. And I praise and thank Him. And for this, beyond grateful, blessed, loved. Thank you all very much.